You're working hard trying to escape your 9 to 5. But here's the truth nobody tells you: you might have just built yourself a new trap. If your freedom plan pays less per hour than fast food, that's not freedom. That's cosplay. In 2025, two $3,000 clients beat 200 tiny online tasks. Today, I'll show you the math, the method, and a simple plan to start building something real. This channel is for people who want remote work that buys back time, not another hamster wheel. By the end, you'll know how to turn one skill that you already have into a $3,000 offer you can run from anywhere. Let's be honest, most side hustles are broken from day one. Dropshipping? You're competing with pros spending millions on ads. Flipping products? You are burning weekends for pocket change. Filling out surveys? That's not income, that's digital minimum wage. You're still trading time for money, just at a cheaper rate. If your independent route pays less than your job, that's not an escape, it's a treadmill. Now, you were told more effort equals more money, but effort without leverage? That's just exhaustion. So, here is the upgrade. Skill to signal to sales. Skill. Pick out something that you're already good at, what you've been paid for, promoted for, or constantly asked about. Signal. Share proof, quick tutorials, short tips, or behind-the-scenes clips showing what you do best. Sales. Invite people to do a short call or a DM. Charge for the result, not your hours. Don't sell time, sell transformation. Okay, let's look at the numbers. A typical side hustle? 80 hours a month for maybe $1,000. That's $12 an hour. A high-ticket skill offer? Same 80 hours, 2 clients at $3,000 each? That's $6,000 a month. Same hours, same energy, completely different future. Now, let that sink in. This is how you can build your first $3,000 offer this week. Step 1. The outcome. Write down one line. I will help who go from A to B in timeline. Step 2. The method. List 3 to 5 repeatable steps that you use. Positioning, to assets, to outreach, to results. Step 3. The proof plan. No testimonials. Work with at least 2 beta clients for free or on the cheap for 2 weeks. Get results, then capture the story. Step 4. Price and promise. Charge anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on the value. Add in a guarantee. If we don't hit X milestone, I will keep working until we do. Picture this. You're working in marketing, HR, or maybe customer service. You've built real skills, but you've been using them to build someone else's dream. What if you flip that around? If you've run ad campaigns, offer that skill to small business owners. If you're great at training, teach startups how to onboard faster. If you can sell, coach others on how to close deals. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. That is the power of skill leverage. One decision away from freedom. You don't need millions of views. You just need visibility. Post twice a week. One teaching video, one proof clip. End every video with, "Want help applying this?" Links down below. Each post is a silent salesperson working while you sleep. Now, I'm no expert, but you don't have to be. Start as a practitioner. But what if no one watches? Well, that's perfect. That is your learning phase. But what if I mess up? Well, you will. That's how you get good. Start ugly, but stay consistent. Create an action plan. Write down your outcome statements. Outline your method. Land 2 beta clients. Post 1 long video and 3 shorts. Most importantly, don't wait for perfect. You can begin with what you already know. Stop wasting your time stacking crumbs. You can start selling outcomes today.